Using the 2-in-1 trimmer from WorkPro. This light and compact handheld trimmer includes 2 quick-change shear attachments, one for grass and thin vegetation, and another for hedges and small branches. The WorkPro 2-in-1 trimmer is easy to operate with a trigger control, comfortable grip, safety lock, and removable safety key. With its lithium-ion rechargeable battery, this trimmer boasts a runtime of 50 minutes. In one compact and convenient package, the WorkPro 2-in-1 trimmer is sure to satisfy your trimming and pruning needs around your home and garden. WorkPro. Build a better project.